out off somebody else, you freeloader! If I ever see you again, I don't know what I'll do!
That does it. I gotta find me a new dope I can con. Aha! Perfect. When the sucker who owns this heap starts it up, I'll claim bodily injury and sue him for all he's worth. When you're good, you're me.
That can't be good.
Ow! What are you trying to do to me, Woodpecker? Oh, you fractured my subtubula. Oh, and my entire upper thorax is numb.
What were you doing under my hood?
I was adjusting your manifold intake. There are problems with it on this model. And this is how I get repaid for my good deed. Oh, the agony. Oh, the pain. I smell a lawsuit. You'll be hearing from my lawyer.
Lawsuit?
And I'll take you for everything you've got.
Now calm down. I'm sorry. You can come to my house and get cleaned up. I'll make it up to you.
Thanks, sucker. I mean, pal.
Mr. Buzzard, sir, you've been in there for 2 days. I'd like to get in my bathroom sometime.
Have this towel clean.
Eesh.
I put on the only thing I could find while my pants dry.
My suit! Now you listen here, bub. I've taken care of you, and you look just fine to me now. It's time to hit the bricks.
Oh, Woodpecker, I'm barely over my bodily trauma, and now you're causing me all this emotional turmoil. Which is only gonna cost you more in the lawsuit.
No, forget I said anything.
All right, then. It's settled. I'm gonna have to stay a while longer.
Okay, but there's new rules. Stay out of my clothes, and whatever you eat, you replace.
Sure. You're the boss.
I've got a golf game.
Looks good enough to eat, especially to a stupid woodpecker. Ah. Aha. Man, that's pretty.
Oh, boy. There's nothing like steak and cake. Hey! Looks moist and chewy. That does it! Hey, get out here! We need to talk.
I'm on the phone here. And I gotta finish my pedicure.
I'm not standing out here all night.
Coulda fooled me.
This isn't your house, you know.
But it's my bathroom.
Get out of there now. I have needs.
I gotta go, Olaf. Call me back later. Collect.
Who's so important in Denmark you have to talk to them all night long?
No one special. I just love the sound of the Danish language.
Ah! My bathroom! Completely destroyed!
Yeah, you better get that toilet fixed. I'm having a party tonight. Ow! You can't make me leave. I got my rights. If you hit me, you'll go to jail for cruelty to animals.
What?
Forget the lawsuit. We're talking life in prison. I'm an endangered species, you know.
Jail?
You're no good, no paying deadbeat!
Hiya, buddy.
That's how I deal with deadbeat tenants like you!
Then have I got a tenant for you?
Now to get back to my bath.
Oh, allow me. I'll just take you back to your tub and run you some fresh, hot water. Here, give your Danish friend a call.
I will.
Bye-bye.
Möchten gern lieben Vincent. Come in.
Well, Buzz, I'm off to play on the Pro Tour. I've sold the house. And the new landlady says she knows you. You remember Ms. Meanie, don't ya?
No, not her. Please, no, no! I object, Your Honor, to everything she said.
Order! Now, Winnie, let's hear your story first.
Well, Your Honor, I wanted to buy a nice little red car, so I went to this Buzzard's used car lot and... Knock, knock, knock. Excuse me. Excuse me! I'd, like to buy a car, sir?
A customer? Why didn't you say so? What kind of car you looking for? We got sports cars, sedans, and luxury cars. We got cars that'll take you from point A to point B.
I have a question. I don't see any cars. Are you pulling my leg?
Oh my gosh! There it is! What can I say? It's you, it's you, it's you! What do you think? Isn't she a beauty? She's all yours. Just sign right here.
Well, I was kind of hoping for a car with wheels.
Wheels? What do you want wheels for?
Well, most cars I've seen have wheels.
Look at the car. What do you see? It has no wheels! Go get wheels. There you go. Drive it right off the lot.
I'd like to, but it doesn't have a steering wheel.
Egad! What an oversight on his part. Get the lady a steering wheel! There you go. Practical, yet playful.
It doesn't look very safe.
You heard the lady. Make it safe. Get a safety belt. Now you have safety belts.
Well, as long as we're on the subject, there's a few other things we'll need, like seats, transmission, a dashboard, windshield wipers, fenders, bumpers, turn signals, door handles, heater, defroster, ice cube maker, self-cleaning glove compartment. Well, last I heard, a car needed an engine to run.
Hop in. Let's take it for a test drive. Wind in your hair, sun on your backside. Oh, it doesn't get any better than this. Faster, you toll brick. Hey, you want to give it a whirl?
Look out! And that's the whole truth, with sugar and spice and everything nice.
Objection, Your Honor. We're dying here, Oinker. I'll stall him. You go get us a nice red car. We'll pass it off as the one we were trying to sell her. If it pleases the court, let me tell you what really happened. There I was, doing one of my daily good deeds. There you are, madam. Have a nice day.
Excuse me? I'd like to buy a car.
Why, this is our finest automotive deal, ma'am. A mere $10,000. But it'll practically pay for itself.
Then when it makes the last payment, I'll come pick it up.
Oh, no! No. Whatever you can't afford, I'll gladly pay for. No questions or interest added.
I want a red four-door!
I'm determined to get you in a car. Heck, I'll give you one if I have to. I just want to make you happy.
Let's take it for a spin!
Hold on! Wait! Far be it from me to criticize, but aren't we driving a bit fast? And that's the truth. Now may it please the court, I give you Exhibit A. The fine red car I practically tried to give away to the Woodpecker.
It's a beauty, all right, Mr. Buzzard. Looks like this case is...
Wait, Your Honor, no!
You're out of order, Winnie.
This is wrong. That buzzard is more crooked than a bad boxer's nose.
She's trying to hoodwink you, Judge.
Oh, I am I?
Yes, you am.
Well, speaking of hoods, what kind of car do you drive, ma'am? And in fact, doesn't your license plate read, I'm the judge?
She's right.
And isn't your car blue, Your Honor? Just like this one?
This is my car.
No, wait!
I find for the plaintiff, Winnie Woodpecker. Take this buzzard away.
No! This is appalling! I'm appealing!
And for cracking Buzz Buzzard's auto theft ring, here's your reward money.
Your Honor, is your car for sale?
Why, yes.
Well, here you go then.
Sold.
Case closed!
That's my good little woodland creatures. Store plenty of food. Mother Nature says it's going to be a long winter. Woody, you should be flying south for the winter.
What are you talking, winter? It's 80 degrees.
But there's a cold snap coming.
So wake me when it's winter.
Wakey, wakey. Now fly south like you're supposed to.
I really do gotta head south, and flying's way too tiring. But riding a train's more like it.
Ooh, so good to have you aboard, Mr. and Mrs. Stinkorich.
I got $20 for a ticket stub, bub. And there's a nickel tip in it for you if I get a window seat.
Oh, yoy. A nickel. Now I can retire and buy those orthopedic tusks for my poor ailing grandmama. $20 is not enough to ride this train, Woodpecker.
How's about if I ride coach?
No,
How's about if I ride outside on the roof?
this is Ultra Lux Rail. You want our economy class train. Out of luck rail.
Hiya, buddy.
So, he wants to play it like that, does he? Fine by me. How much just to send my bag?
Cargo is, what do you know? $20. I show this freeloader a thing or tree or fur. All aboard!
Whoa!
I get you, you freeloader. Oh, Porter, I'm ready for my lunch. You own the train, Mr. Lux. Yeah, you could eat any time you like. Yeah, you bet. Today's special is roast pig. Woodpecker!
Guess who? Tea time!
Woodpecker.
Hey!
Woodpecker, where are you?
Ooh, I say, little fellow, Lord Crinkle's the name. Polo's my game.
Lord Crinkle, is there anything I can do for you?
I would like a glass of water. Perhaps a visit to the water fountain would be in order instead.
Will there be anything else, Lord Crinkle?
Yeesh. You expect me to drink this swill? Tut, tut, tut. I'm reporting this entire train to the Board of Health.
No! Woodpecker!
Now, hold on, big fella. Say, isn't that the Queen?
The Queen! Oof! Porter, what have you done?
Ooh, bad Porter.
Oh, Fjord! Porter, get off of me! They're doomed!
If you won't do something, I will.
Oh, I saved you, Mr. Lux. I saved you. Nonsense! Woody Woodpecker here saved my train, and I'm awarding him a lifetime pass to ride free every winter when it's time for him to head south. No! Meanwhile, you're going to work on Outer Luck Rail.
Hiya, buddy.